Hey guys, what's up? I am back with the brand new video and it's time to unbox the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 and this is a 44mm. I bought this watch from telemart.pk. This watch is costing around 43,500 PKR in Pakistan market and the color I have is the black color as you can see, and also I ordered this watch on 2 September and today I am receiving this watch 13 October. Because the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 is not available in the black color, they only have the Watch 4 in the silver color, but I said to Telemart that I want the black color. Now it is finally here. So in this video, we're gonna unbox the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. Now let's see that what the Samsung has to offer in this watch. On the back we have one seal right there and one seal right there. So now let's remove the seals first, and this is the Wi-Fi model, not the LTE model. So now let's remove these seals. Also one more seal right there like this. When you open the box, and the first thing we got the watch itself, and you can see here is the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 in the 44mm variant. Now let's see what else we get, and then the watch, and the first thing we get one more mini box which is right there, and you can see inside of this box, let's see, and first thing we get the charging dock. And you can see here is the charger of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. It is a USB A2 and this is a wireless charger, so that's really good thing. Also we should see a quick start guide on this phone. Yes, we also get a quick start guide as well as a warranty card. So that's about it. Here is the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. Now let's out the watch from this box, and you can see on the back we have a bioactive new sensor. On the right hand side we have two buttons, and the top one is the back key and the bottom one is the home key, and the top one has a red indicator, so that's really good thing. On the front we have 1.4-inch Super AMOLED display. Now let's quickly boot this watch up, and here is the strap of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. It is silicone type, and on the front we also have a Korean Gorilla Glass version TX Plus, and this thing is made up of aluminium. On the back we also have heart rate sensor, ECG, as well as the blood pressure sensor as well. On the front we also have a always on display as well, and this watch has 16 GB of internal storage. Also we have 1.5 GB of RAM as well, and this watch also has a loudspeaker, NFC, as well as the microphone as well, so you can take calls as well. Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 also has a digital rotating bezel as well, and the watch looks really good, and you can see it feels very premium. Now let's quickly open the Galaxy Wearable app, and you can see that we should see the Samsung Galaxy, and you can see same. Now let's confirm that, and now the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 is in the process. And guys, and here is the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. This watch also has a 361 mAh battery size, and the new Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 is running on Android Wear OS. This watch also is powered by Samsung Exynos W920 chipset, which is based on 5nm architecture. The Watch 4, it feels really good in my hand, and the 44mm, it is right from me. This watch also has a Super AMOLED display, and the ECG as well as the blood pressure, it is not working in Pakistan as well because it is not approved yet. And the new sensor on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 is the bioactive, which can give you a lot of new features like the body mass and the muscle fat, all those things. And you can see my Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 is completely set up. If you want all apps, the apps, it is right there, and you can see, and the notification, it is right there from the left hand side. And when you tap the notification, you can see the notification as well. So this watch also has a microphone as well as a speaker as well. Swipe left again, you can see the notification, and swipe right here is your home key. On the top we have a notification bar, and you can see all those things, it is available on this phone. We also have Wi-Fi as well as the brightness, and the brightness, it is also, and the display is also really bright on this phone because we have Super AMOLED display. On the front we also have a digital rotating bezel as well, which looks like this, and you can see we have a lot of things, and you can see heart rate monitor. We also have the sleep, we also have the body composition, and you can see you have to put your height, weight, all those things in that. After that you can see your body composition, so that's really good thing. And now let's go back, and we also have all your workouts, and the Galaxy Wearable app, it is already installed on my Samsung phones. When you open the watch, here is the interface looks like. We also have apps We also have the quick panel, watch faces, as well as the tiles. Now let's go watch faces. Now let's see another watch face, and you can see here is the another watch face. Now let's see this. Here is the another watch face. So now let's go apps. You can also, and this watch also has the Play Store because the Samsung Watch 4 is running on Android Wear OS, not the Tizen OS. Also we have the Bixby, which I don't like that. I like the Google Assistant, but I never use the Google Assistant on my phone as well. We also have the app settings. Now let's go to the tiles, and you can see you can also add that. The Watch 4 also has a blood oxygen monitor as well. We also have the quick panel. Here's the quick panel looks like, and this watch also has a NFC. And the battery life of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 will be around 1 day. Now let's go back. Now let's go to the watch settings, and you can see here is the display settings. We also have always on display. Here is the always on display when I am not looking at the watch, and the always on display is on when I looking the watch, and now the screen it is again really bright as well. The Watch 4 also has auto brightness. We also have the battery section, and you can see we also have the power saving mode. Here is the Watch 4 speakers, and you can see the speakers looks like this. It is not the loudest. You can also add any images, any songs as well, because the Watch 4 also has a 16 GB of internal storage. If you have any call, if you do like this, and the watch will automatically answer the call. If you want to dismiss your call, you have to do like this. We also have the notification. You can mute the notification as well on the phone as well as on the watch. Overall, I have to say regarding the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 is give you a lot of new features which we don't see before, like the body composition. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well. And I will see you in my next video. Peace out.